Palladium this week did not do too much, and what that means. The price is almost at the same price level where the price started the week. So let's check what happened. The price has gone below this support level, making a bearish breakout where the price was trying to go even more down, and then the price returned all the way back up, making a bullish breakout, then also bearish breakout, then again bullish breakout, which means the price could not find its way clear way outside of this indecision range area. And on a Friday, the price finally found enough strength to go above these resistance levels around 948, 946, and it has closed up to 958.79. A weekly time frame shows us a small bullish candle body with a larger wick on the low side and a smaller on the upper side, where the price has gone above this 937.50, which is a bullish breakout. The monthly time frame currently shows me a bullish pin bar right here at this support level, but we have one more week until this month closes. So will the price manage to form this candle like it is right now, or it will go above, which means above 967, which will be a very important resistance level on the monthly time frame? This is something that we'll see, but 967 is very important level, resistance level. If the price goes above, this will trigger another move up to 1008.83. Now if the price goes below 908.39, this will open space that the price will go all the way back down, first to here 863 and then below. Much more clear informations are here on the daily time frame, because we can see these support and resistance levels where the price is touching and also bouncing. Now 937 is very important level, but we can see that 977 is very important resistance level for the price. If the price goes above on the monthly time frame, this will open space up to 1024. We can see that here the price couldn't go above for several attempts. First attempt, second attempt, not going too much in the past. Now if the price goes below 905.06, this we can see that the price will open a space to go even more down, going below up to 8860.53. Now what happens in between the daily on the daily time frame during the week? I will share that on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame with the traders inside the forum. The link for the forum will be below in the description on the getnowtrading.com website. You will also get here an MT4 template with the support and the resistance levels and the supply zones around these areas, so you can also follow the daily analysis. If you have any questions, you can also ask there to discuss with other traders. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.